there, young coders! Today, we are diving into the exciting world of Scratch Junior, where imagination meets technology. But wait, what is Scratch Junior? Well, it is a magical toolbox filled with colorful blocks that will let you create your own interactive stories, games, and animations. Just imagine being the master of your own digital universe where anything is possible. So let us try to run a sample project in Scratch Junior.
Hey,
Now, let us see why learning Scratch Junior is important for young learners like you. Let's break it down. First off, Scratch Junior is super easy to use. No need to worry about complicated codes or confusing commands. With just a few taps and swipes, you can bring your ideas to life. Secondly, Scratch Junior sparks your creativity like never before. Whether you want to tell a silly story, design a cool game, or create a funky dance party, the possibilities are endless. And here's the best part, Scratch Junior helps you become an awesome problem solver and critical thinker. You learn how to break down big problems into smaller pieces, just like solving a puzzle. Plus, by sharing your project with your friends and family, you'll inspire others to join the coding craze and unleash their own creativity. So, what are you waiting for? Let's jump into the world of Scratch Junior and let your imagination run wild. Stay tuned for more adventures with Scratch Junior in the further week. Happy coding, young creators! Bye bye.